Toddler Toon TV.
Hello, toddlers! Welcome to a creative and educational adventure today. We're going to learn how to write the alphabet in a fun and exciting way. Grab your pencils and let's get started. We'll start with the very first letter, A. Are you ready? To write A, start at the top, go down and slant, and do it again from opposite direction, and make a little bridge. A for aeroplane. Next up, B, straight line down. Go up and around, from left to right. It's like a big tummy. B for bear. Now, on to C. Curve around, like a rainbow, in the sky. C for car. D is next. Straight line, down, a circle, to spin, down, up. D for doll. E is quite simple. Straight line down, then 3 lines across. E for elephant. F is fun. Straight line down, then 2 lines across. F for fox. G is like a big, round lollipop. Around, down, and a little stop. Finish it up. G for giraffe. H is next, like a ladder, to climb. Straight down, a line, down, and across. H for horse. I is simple, a straight, tall stick. Straight down, that's it. I for ice cream. J is jolly like a curly slide. Down, a hook, and then to the side. J for jellyfish. K is next. A line down, a slant to the middle, and another slant down. K for kangaroo. L is lovely, like a little shoe. A line down, down and across. L for lion. M is mighty, like a big, tall hill. A line down, from top, go down, and slant, go up and slant, and go down. M for mouse. N is nice and easy. A line down, from top, go down, and slant, go up. N for narwhal. O is a circle, around and around. O for owl. P is playful, a line down from top, around, down, and a little loop. P for pig. Q is next. Down, a hook, down, and a little tail. Q for queen. R is here. A line down, from top, a little bend, down, and a little slant. R for rabbit. S is simple, a curvy path that twists and winds all around. S for sailboat. T is terrific, like a tall, straight stick. A little line across, from the middle, a line down. T for tiger. U is unique, like a horseshoe's bend. A little line down, and a hook, and go up. U for unicorn. V is victorious, like a flying V. Start at the top, go down, and slant and do it again, from opposite direction. V for vegetables. W is wiggly, like a worm, in the ground. Start at the top, go down, and slant and go up, and slant, and again. W for watermelon. X is like the Twitter logo, a slant down and a slant down crossing middle. X for Xmas tree. I is like a tall tree. Start at the top, go down and slant, and do it again. From opposite direction, a little line down from the linked point. Y for yak. Z is the last letter. A line across and down, a slant, and go right across. Z for zebra. You did it! We've learned the entire alphabet together. Writing can be so much fun, don't you agree? Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep smiling. Goodbye!